Have you ever wondered why some people learn English faster while others struggle for years? It's not because they're smarter. It's not because they were born with a special gift. It's because they trained their brain to think in English. And once your brain switches to English mode, everything becomes easier. Speaking becomes natural. Listening becomes clearer. And words start coming to you without translating. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your brain to speak in English faster than you think. No complicated rules, no pressure. Just a calm, simple, powerful way to rewire your mind for English. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And get ready to transform the way you learn. Welcome to FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. Let's start with something important. Your brain is not slow. Your English is not weak. Your brain simply follows the system it was trained in. If you translate before speaking, if your mind freezes when someone talks fast, if you understand English in your head but can't say it out loud, there is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is just using the old system, your native language. That system tries to translate every word, every idea, every sentence. And translation is slow. Your goal is not to memorize more words. Your goal is to create a new pathway, a direct English pathway, a shortcut inside your brain. Today, we build that shortcut. There is a tiny moment before you speak, a small moment where your brain decides, should I think in my language or should I think in English? This moment is the switch. If you can control this switch, you can speak English without hesitation. The secret is simple. You don't need to think in perfect English. You need to think in simple English first. Short thoughts, clear thoughts, easy thoughts. Instead of thinking, I want to improve because my communication skills are not strong, you think, I want to speak better. Shorter thoughts equals faster thinking equals faster speaking. This is how the English brain wakes up. Training your brain doesn't require books. It doesn't require long study hours. What it needs is repetition, rhythm, and simple English input. Here are the 3 core habits that create an English-thinking brain. Speak in short English thoughts throughout the day. Not full sentences, just thoughts like, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm going to work, I like this food, I need a break. Your brain becomes familiar with small English blocks. 2. Listen to slow, clear English, like this podcast-style lesson. When you listen calmly, without pressure, your brain absorbs English automatically. This is how children learn. This is how you will learn. 3. Reduce translation by 20% every week. Don't stop translating completely. Just reduce it slowly. Your brain adjusts gently, naturally, comfortably. This is the FluentX method. Simple, clear, effective. Here's a powerful technique that almost every fluent speaker uses, even if they don't know it. It's called the 5-second thinking rule. Whenever you want to say something in English, pause for just 5 seconds. Form a simple thought. Speak it clearly, slowly. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need complicated vocabulary. You just need clarity. This tiny 5-second pause removes fear, tension, and confusion. It gives your brain time to access the English pathway. And slowly, your brain stops needing the pause. English begins to flow. One of the fastest ways to think in English is to surround yourself with English sounds. Not noise, not fast movies, but slow, clear, structured English like this. When you listen to calm lessons daily, your brain learns rhythm. Your brain learns sound patterns. Your brain learns sentence shapes. Before you even notice it, your mind begins predicting English. You start recognizing patterns, understanding faster, and speaking smoother. Think of it like music. The more you listen, the more your brain learns the beat. This is why podcast-style English is so powerful. It gives your mind the rhythm it needs to think in English. Your brain becomes fluent when it doesn't have to search for words. The secret is repetition of common English thoughts. Here are a few examples. I agree. Maybe. That's right. I'm not sure. Let me think. That sounds good. I understand. Give me a second. These short responses build mental reflexes. Your brain starts answering automatically in English. This is real fluency, not memorized sentences, but natural reactions. The more automatic thoughts you build, the faster your English becomes. If you want real results, train your brain with this simple daily routine. Morning, 2 minutes. Think 3 small thoughts in English. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Listen to a short English audio while relaxing. Evening, 3 minutes. Speak 3 simple sentences out loud. Total time, 10 minutes a day. Total impact, massive. Small habits change the brain. Small habits build fluency. Consistency transforms your English. You now understand why some people speak English naturally? It's not talent, it's brain training. Your brain can learn English faster than you think. You just need the right method, the right guidance, and the right daily habits. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this lesson, stay with FluentX for more podcast-style English sessions designed to make you think, speak, and feel English naturally. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and remember, FluentX. Learn English fast and simple.